This 2025 Jayco J Flight SLX 262 RLSW is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Rock Springs, Wyoming, 82901 and is offered for sale by First Choice RVs. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 31 feet 1 inch in length and features sleeps 6, leveling jacks, auxiliary battery, LP detector, microwave, water heater, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, awning, skylight, air conditioning, and 76 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Jayco J Flight SLX 262 RLSW is 6,035 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to First Choice RVs.